This is my video, my Monstaliner video. Monstaliner is a really cool product. It's a bed liner type material, but you can paint your car with it. They use a lot of it on off-road vehicles. And I had a problem with the roof on this truck. The paint would not stick to it, so the paint kept coming off. And then I had to primer it, and then the primer would react with water and all sorts of crap, and ended up streaking the paint, almost ruining the paint on the truck. So I ended up having to color sand the truck, and it would last for a while, and I'd have to buff it and wax it, and then more crap would get up there and water would get on it, and it would rinse on down the sides and etch the paint again, mess it up. So I was looking for a solution to it, and I didn't want to paint the roof again. So make a long story short, I did a lot of research on different types of products, and this is the one I think is the best. It was for me. It was so easy to use. It is exactly like they said, just like the videos that people put up. It behaves just like it's supposed to. There's no problem with it. There's no mess with it as long as you're careful. You got to do your masking, and as you can see, it became a really clear, crisp line, because the paint on this truck is 8 years old, and it sits outside most of the time. It's a roll-on material, and you can spray it too. It's my first time doing it. I also did the headliner in the truck, which is a piece of it's not even plywood. It's like a pegboard type material. Anyway, the interior of the truck is a paper interior because that's the way the old semi-trucks came. But the headliner wouldn't stay up there. So, masonite board, I think that's what it is. So I did just what they said, same as if it's metal, and did the headliner and got it looking all cool. And then I did the engine cover down here too. And here's the roof all done, a little dusty. Just want to show how nice a line this stuff makes. And I did this with a roller. And now I won't have any problems with my roof. Great product, does just what it's supposed to do. Again, it's called Monstaliner. It's M-O-N-S-T-A L-I-N-E-R. I also use their chassis saver paint underneath it as a primer, which is a rust preventative, so I'll never have a problem underneath there. And there's their little mascot on my back window. Great product, wonderful company, good people, good support. They answer my questions. As we'll show you the whole truck, I guess. It's a 59 GMC, the 6.7-1 Detroit diesel and 10-speed Road Ranger, and a Jake brake. Once again, Monstaliner is the name of the product. That's what I did the roof in. And I couldn't be happier with it. It's a wonderful product.